it's time to light it up. I bought this 3-pack of gold LED flameless candles with remote. Let's open this up and let's see what they look like. Comes with some directions. It requires 3 AAA batteries that go in here. This is glass. This is not plastic, these are glass. Get in there on the top just so you can see that real quick. There's that remote. 2, 4, 6, 8-hour timer. You can do candle mode or light mode. Light, the bottom part does not flicker, just the top. And then candle mode, the bottom part flickers. And then of course it's got the dimmer. So let's bring it really low. Yeah, look at that. So non-flicker, flicker. And let's brighten it back up. So pretty, you guys, so pretty.